So let's take a look down here. Hey guys, I'm here in Ubud, and I was just about to get on the motto to go over to the waterfall here. And as you can see, it's kind of rainy here. It's just kind of cloudy. So maybe I'm going to walk to a different waterfall now, and I think tomorrow morning I go to the other one that's way far away here. And I think it's about 7 miles. The other ones were spectacular, but I'm not going to be able to make it over there, I think, without the rain. So we'll see. Check out this store, guys. Got a lot of wooden artifacts here. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be here trying to grab to the waterfall, and it's like 9 a.m. so hopefully got clear skies this morning and we can go and enjoy it for a little while, and I'll come back on the motto. Here we are at Kanto Lampo waterfall. So it took about 25 minutes to get here. I was quite surprised that it's a fairly suburban area around the waterfall. I mean, it's not, you know, this is not some country road here. So we have a donation here, $25,000, which we pay, said to pay over here. So here we go, 25,000 rupiah, which is about $1.75. Here we go down stairs here. Now this is, from what I saw on the internet, this is supposed to be the best waterfall that you can go to, or one of the top ones. Some of the other ones are not so good, but this one, you know, of course I had to take a grab ride. The total price that I paid is, you know, like I paid about $2 for the grab ride here, and $175, so we're talking about $6 for this trip, which is not that bad. So it's kind of, I can see it's kind of slick here. Waterfall did not disappoint. Yeah, please don't change your clothes in this area. Wow, cool. So we've got some people over here taking pics. So I'm going to take a swim here. I'm just going to put my bag over here and just leave it for a couple minutes here. And maybe I'll just walk down there with my phone here. So yeah, this is not bad. I have, you see my shoes here, I have some aquatic shoes here. It's really not that deep, not that dangerous here. Just a nice photo spot here. Hey guys, so check this out. Pretty interesting area here, local kind of area here. Thank you, you did a good job. Good, thank you. So we just got back from the waterfall here. Guy was driving slow, not too fast, so he did perfectly fine there. Safe drive, took about 30 minutes or so. Kind of a long one. Price $2, so it wasn't too expensive there. Stop for lunch, sure.